Welcome to my class, Carbon and its Compounds, Part 5. In this lesson, we will learn what are functional groups and what are their structures and few examples of functional groups. Look here, functional groups. Functional in the sense an important role. Groups means group of atoms. So simply we can say that a group of atoms that influence the behavior of hydrocarbons is known as functional group. So here, look here, hydrocarbon chain is attached to atom or group of atoms. This atom or group of atoms which are attached or that are attached to hydrocarbon chain will decide or play an important role in the properties of hydrocarbons. So, atom or group of atoms that give characteristic properties to the compounds in which they are present are known as functional groups. There are nearly 7 important functional groups are there. Let us learn one by one. See this one, OH functional group. This is known as hydroxyl functional group. If this hydroxyl functional group is attached to alkyl group, then the new compound becomes alcohol. Next, this OH functional group is known as alcohol. Next, here you look carefully, CHO, C double bond OH. This CHO functional group is known as aldehyde. Next, come to the next one. You look carefully, C double bond OH, that is COOH. This is known as carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. So COOH functional group is known as carboxylic acid. Next, come to the next one. The atom oxygen is in between two different carbon atoms. So this functional group solo oxygen, this is known as solo oxygen. On either side one bond is left for bond formation with the alkyl groups. So this functional group O dash dash, this is known as ether. This functional group is known as ether. Next, come to this one. This C double bond OR is known as ester. What we call it? Ester. Look carefully. Next, here C double bond O. This oxygen is doubly bonded with the carbon. This C double bond O functional group is known as ketone. Next, come to this one, NH2. This functional group is known as amine. What we call it? Amine. Now, let us learn what are alcohols. If hydroxyl group OH is attached to the alkyl group, the new compounds are called alcohols. Example, methanol, ethanol. Their general formula is ROH. Next, aldehydes. The hydrocarbons with the functional group CHO are known as aldehydes. Example, formaldehyde, acetaldehyde. Their general formula is RCHO. Next, ketones. Organic compounds with a functional group C double bond O are known as ketones. Dimethyl ketone, ethyl methyl ketone are the examples. Next, come to the next one, amines. If NH2 functional group is attached to the alkyl group, the new compounds are called amines. See here, R and R dash are there. Here, R and R dash. What do you mean by R and R dash? They are the alkyl groups. How will you get the alkyl groups? If one hydrogen is removed from a hydrocarbon, then it becomes alkyl group. If this alkyl group is attached to atom or group of atoms, the entire compound properties changes. Now listen, functional groups. They are mainly classified into two types. One is the terminal functional group. The second one is the non-terminal functional group. What is the terminal functional group? If the functional group occur only at the end of the carbon chain. Examples, aldehydes, carboxylic acids. These are the examples for terminal functional groups. Next, what are non-terminal functional groups? If the functional group occur at the middle of the carbon chain, they are known as non-terminal functional group. Example, here see this one. CH3C CH3 double bond O. This is an example for non-terminal functional groups. So this ketone group C double bond O, this is added in the middle of the carbon chain. So if the functional group occur at the middle of the carbon chain, then it is known as non-terminal functional group. Thank you, children, for watching my lesson. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe and share it.